Hi everyone. I almost can't believe that it's already week 8. This is a holiday weekend and I know a lot of you are very busy, so I wanted to post work early this week so you can get started, just in case that's the only way it will fit your time frame. So we're starting to interact with source material, and in Writing 111 the idea is to introduce you to source material and referencing and practice it. By the end of the argumentative essay, I want to see you doing it really well. By the end of your 200 level writing class next semester, we expect you to master style, but we're just starting to notice things about it now. So your reading this week is to look through some sample papers from the American Psychological Association, which is the major style used in sciences and social sciences. Most of you will use the APA manual in your advanced writing classes here at UAA. So I want you to look through. Notice things about the style. What's bolded? Where are there headings and subheadings? What does the reference citation include? And if you have any questions, let me know. In the next sample papers, we'll start to really dig into those. We're also engaging in our second peer review. It's a similar process to the first one. When you click on the assignment, you'll see that you're part of a small group. You should share your draft with your group members by Tuesday using the blue rectangle in the upper right-hand corner. You can find your classmates' UAA email addresses here in the document, and you know to communicate with the people you're working with. If you have extenuating circumstances and need another day, send us all an email and let us know what's going on. And we'll all work hard to understand that we're all in strange situations right now. The other assignment is a source summary. And so this is your first chance to cite an article that you're working with and get my feedback on it. You're going to find the most important source of information for your paper and give me the citation for it so that I can respond and start to tell you what you're doing right with citation and what you might need to improve or learn more about. And then your rhetorical analysis and the reflection are due by Sunday. So remember, you will submit your rhetorical analysis that you have written. You also need to answer the reflection. And I won't grade your essay until you've turned in your reflection, because that's an important part of your growth on the assignment. I'm not going to have office hours on Monday, which is a university holiday, but I will be in my office hours on Wednesday. And if you need to meet another time, just send me an email. I'm happy to talk to you most of the time. I hope everyone's doing well and that you're finding some time to write. The rain coming up might help.